Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are ready. Sign into an administrator account and confirm Windows Update has finished installing. Once done, open Settings, press Windows +I or use Start. You want to be working with the current build so the taskbar options are available, otherwise toggles may be missing. Now navigate directly to Personalization. This is where taskbar controls live, so you're positioned to turn the search feature on without detours. From Personalization, select Taskbar and look for taskbar items. You'll see Search listed, toggle it to on to show the icon or search box. Make a choice. Icon saves space, search box gives immediate typing, both call the same indexer. If the search option isn't visible, expand taskbar behaviors, check for group policy restrictions, or prepare to apply a quick registry edit, because Windows sometimes hides settings when policies or older builds are active. Once enabled, verify the search icon or box appears and press Windows +S to test. If it doesn't show immediately, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot. This refreshes the taskbar. Make sure indexing is running if search returns no results. If problems persist, run the search and indexing troubleshooter or restart the Windows search service. These steps reset corrupted caches. If you follow that sequence, you'll restore the search bar and understand why each action was necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.